Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. And yes, my microphone is finally working because when just before I left for my work experience, my mic wasn't working for some reason. I don't know why, so I had to go into the settings and change one of them. So yeah, um today I'm going to be reviewing this. This is the My Little Pony Hidden Dissectible. This is series 2. I just checked on the bottom because when I first got this I didn't know what series this was or what wave it was. And it's series 2. So um here's all the figures you can uh collect here. So yeah, so it's basically um it shows like the characters and their skeleton basically, and yeah, so that's the box here. See the MLP brand there as well, which is pretty cool. I don't know who I've got, so let's just open this. I mean, you can just tear it off, doesn't really matter. But gotta be careful. I think you do need scissors for this one, but yeah. Okay, so I don't know what this is. It's like some sort of plastic bit. Got the stand, which is pretty cool. I mean, let me. There's the stand. Can't. I don't think you can see it really properly, but you know. And I'm guessing this is the figure that it's in. Some sort of rubbish card there. Um, oh, there we go. Oh, oh, okay. It looks like I have got Chia Lee. Come on, get out of there. So yeah, so this is what it looks like here. So it's basically showing you like their skeleton and everything, and on the sides, it just reveals, you know, the outside of the pony. Uh, and I think this is the. I don't know what this is. My guess is it's the All right. Okay. This is gonna take a while, I think. All right, hold on. I can. Okay, yeah, I can see the little. Oh, just gotta make sure I don't damage the. Right. What is that? Is that like a? Jesus. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a little card. Um, okay. So there's the card. So it says Cheerly on the back. There's just the logo. And yeah, so and then you uh well, okay, yeah, you do it like this. yeah, so oh, it's kind of a bit weird this one. So you got I think like you put this like in and then well, this is kind of what I hate about collectibles is that you got like this is right there and why don't you simply just put it like that and it will sound like just so, but man, it's difficult. Right, yes, come on, yes, yes, yes. Damn it, man. Oh, guys. Well, wait, wait, there's no way to do it around. Okay. Now the other one. Right. Okay. I think I've got it now. Yeah, it's really cool. Um, and actually kind of scary because you can see the skeleton, obviously, and you can also see the little. I'm not sure if you guys can see what I'm pointing at, but I'm pointing at that this bit here. You can see. Um, but yeah, it's a really cool it's a really cool collectible here. Um, a little bit frustrating to um get on like the stand, but yeah, and as you can see, her cutie mark there, um, as well. So yeah, it's as for the detail looks really good. Really, what do you say, like high quality, good quality figure, and yeah, oh, oh yeah, you can also see these little blue bits as well, which I don't think you guys can see. I need to move a little bit closer to the mic. But yeah, you can see a little bit of the blue bit, and there's also yeah. So yeah, I'll probably be I might collect these more. But yeah, I'm gonna put Cheerly. Let me just grab my glasses case. Yeah, this is my glasses case, but no one cares about that. Yeah, so that was the My Little Pony uh dissectable collectible figure. Um, it's really good quality, and I do recommend collecting uh this figure. So goodbye, everybody.